The FRN house is a sophisticated architectural design that balances a compact 350 square meter footprint with a diverse range of spacious, carefully arranged areas. The project includes a master suite, children's bedrooms, living areas, kitchen, quincho, playroom, and other functional spaces, all with views of the surrounding golf course. The design features 2 offset rectangular volumes, a closed private zone for the bedrooms, and an open, extroverted social area that blends interior and exterior spaces. Sustainable elements like solar panels and a gray water system further enhance the home's energy efficiency and environmental responsibility. The facade of the FRN house combines simplicity with modern elegance. It features 2 contrasting volumes, a closed private structure for the bedrooms, and an open, airy social space. The exterior is characterized by large glazed surfaces, allowing for seamless integration with the surrounding landscape. Overhangs and eaves optimize sunlight control, while the use of reinforced concrete and travertine provides a refined, natural aesthetic. The design achieves a harmonious balance between privacy, openness, and sustainability. The outdoor living space of the FRN house seamlessly integrates with the natural environment, featuring a minimalist landscape that enhances the home's modern aesthetic. A sleek swimming pool extends the living area, offering a tranquil space for relaxation. The design emphasizes clean lines and open spaces, with carefully selected plantings that complement the house's architectural style. The result is an elegant, serene outdoor retreat with unobstructed views of the surrounding golf course. The indoor living space of the FRN house embraces a minimalist modern design, characterized by clean lines, open spaces, and a neutral color palette. The social areas, including the living and dining rooms, flow effortlessly into each other, creating a sense of openness and light. Large windows invite natural light, enhancing the airy, uncluttered atmosphere. Simple yet elegant furnishings and finishes contribute to the refined, contemporary aesthetic of the home. The ground floor of the FRN house is thoughtfully designed to create an open and interconnected living environment while maintaining privacy where needed. The layout features a spacious living room and dining area, which flow seamlessly into the kitchen and quincho, promoting a sense of continuity. These social spaces are oriented to offer expansive views of the golf course. The children's bedrooms are placed in a quieter, more private section of the ground floor, adjacent to the playroom, with careful acoustic separation from the quincho to minimize noise. The upper floor of the FRN house is dedicated primarily to the master suite, offering privacy and separation from the more active areas of the home. This level includes a spacious bedroom with panoramic views of the golf course, a large dressing room, and a luxurious bathroom. The master suite is carefully positioned to be close to the living spaces below, yet far enough away from the children's rooms to ensure a quiet, serene retreat. The FRN house successfully balances ambitious design requirements with a refined, minimalist aesthetic. Its thoughtful layout, featuring a private master suite and spacious social areas, ensures both comfort and privacy. The seamless connection between interior and exterior spaces, alongside sustainable design elements, creates a harmonious living environment. The result is a modern, functional home that not only meets the needs of its inhabitants, but also enhances its natural surroundings.